What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage. Today we are in the M4. I got a couple changes going on, running 315 squared. We are gonna find out how it works, if I rub at all or any of that. We're out here, got the new wheel, got the new alignment, running a bit more in the front. Also the front end I lowered it a bit, so we're gonna see how that works out. There is a possibility it could be too low now. We'll see on bypass what happens. Like I'm saying, I brought another set of tires, so if it is an issue, I'll know pretty quickly and we'll swap it out. But yeah, hoping to put down some PBs today. It is hot. It is already 72 degrees. What up? Doesn't sound crazy, but it's gonna get 105 degrees out. So this is pretty much our gonna be our best session right here. I mean, maybe not. We'll kind of see with the tire hole situation and all that, like I was saying, but be cool. So yeah, I'm excited to rip it.
Now that noise that you're hearing, that is my front splitter, basically under that compression zone in the high-speed area when I hit the brakes. Pretty much that seems like where it gave up on the splitter. The little bolt that retained the center of the splitter actually ripped through, and the front of the splitter bent down. So that's what you're hearing around these corners. Now I can hear it in the car, obviously. It's not that quiet. But it's time attack. I need to put down one lap because I wasn't sure if this was going to put me out for the day. And it was really only making noise when I was slowing down. Right there, I had a lot of oversteer. I think actually that front splitter was actually for once making a ton of downforce. So yeah, revision number 2 we're definitely going to have to do because it does help. But today, on the course, my car actually felt really good with the square setup. Front tires had good grip. The rear was actually coming loose, which is nice. I like the car to rotate a little bit, and it was doing that for me. Mind you, I do have the grippiest tires on the front and the most used up ones on the rear, but hey, you know, is what it is. That's totally fine. Alright, so pretty much we get in one lap here. A bit louder. It's just vibrating between the front splitter and the front there. I had black flag, so I was just kind of cruising it. Kind of going semi good, semi decent. I wasn't really totally sure. It seemed like only under braking, like I said, so it's just scraping the ground, which isn't the end of the world. But basically after this, I shut it down.
I was feeling the front arrow work, so lowering it worked. However, it worked too good. I don't have rods on the front. I'll show you guys in a second here. Still ran a 201, which isn't bad for it flopping around. I just needed to get a time on the board because I don't know what I'm gonna do to fix this scenario right here. You know what I'm saying? I got a little bit of ingenuity going on, but besides that, that's good because that means I can add some rear wing because the car actually felt loose for once, which was cool. Okay guys, so this is what I was kind of worried about, and it happened. Actually, the front was actually working because it was like pressing all the way down. It grinded it down. It pulled the bracket straight through the splitter. So unfortunately there for that, that's kind of going to be a problem. There's a possibility of what I could do. I may have to remove the whole thing, I don't know. The other idea I could do maybe is if I could get this off. I'll tell you what, like mounting this thing's not it's not super fun. But if I could get that and like put like a piece of like aluminum underneath or something, that would maybe work. I don't know. I'm gonna have to pull that front splitter off though, or trim it down. I don't know. Sawzall time, I guess. parts hanging out. I'll show you guys these, a little bit of that clip right now. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, so that was flopping. Bolt came through, had to rip that off. See all these shavings, got a little creative with the Sawzall. So let's just say that's no more. We're on to revision number 2, coming out soon. 315 tires, squared, 18 by 11. Things worked amazing. Somehow they did not rub, even over bypass. Either that or they self-clearanced, but no bacon fender here, so that is looking absolutely amazing. I was actually, even after the front arrow went away, the grip with the bigger tires in the front, was able to step up the wing a little bit. Now, mind you, the rear tires on here, pretty spanked as far as that goes. I actually put the ones with more grip over here in the front to balance out the grip in the car, and it actually worked out pretty damn good. So let's show you the time attack. I think that was the best session, battling out with the vet. And let me know what you guys think. Comment, like, subscribe. Oh yeah. Tater chip.
Warming up the tires real quick. Always got to put some wheel speed into those rears because it's easy. And it gets a little bit. So this is basically the time attack session out there. I was not on the game, I'll tell you that. Just the heat, lack of power, lack of splitter, all those different things. A bunch of excuses. Right here I was definitely faster than him in this particular section. He was running on actually a really old used tire. I think the front right and the front left, so that was kind of the problem with his front end grip there. So he's getting a little bit sideways over here. And I'm actually, yeah, we're doing the time attack session. So this was, I think, my top time of the day on this particular lap, and I took out first place in the race class. So I'm still leading points in the race class as well. I'm in practice, so always a fun time out there. So me and him are having a great little time out here, just putting on the pressure. You can see through here. Also, we got new merch. Check the links down there in the bottom. Oh, here's a good one. Show this as well. This is just on the garment. All that stuff. Actually, the same lap, so I'll let you guys watch this. Yeah. this lap. Putting those new Apexes. Yeah, I hit those wheels at over like 105 miles. Not a good thing to do. I was checking to see if the wheels still attached.